How to recover your Twitter account fast. Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Twitter account fast. So first, you just have to go to your any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then type Twitter support. Now you have to click this, contact us, so that they can help you with your concern. When you tap this, it will take you to their help center where you can select a topic or you can search for that specific topic or issue that you're encountering at the very moment. So you can go to the search bar and then type about suspension or about suspended account, something like that, or recover account. So basically, most of the cases, people search for about suspended accounts. So tap the search or magnifying icon right here, and you will see here results for suspended accounts. You have to click the second one here about suspended accounts. So tap this one, and then after that, it will take you to another page where they will let you see some articles about how to recover suspended accounts or how to recover your account. What you're going to do here is you have to scroll down till you see file and appeal. Tap this one. So they will ask you to log in or they will ask you to enter your account that has been suspended. But at this very moment, I can't let you see that because my account is not yet suspended. In case that you have a suspended account and you want to recover this, all you have to do is to enter that here and then you can submit an appeal that you haven't committed any community guidelines or Twitter policy and you demand for recovering your account. So all you have to do is to be very specific with your concern and then submit that appeal. You have to wait for a couple of days. They will respond to that through your email, so you have to check time to time. Send you a message, all you have to do is to follow the instruction, and after that, you will recover your Twitter account. So this is how you recover your Twitter account fast. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.